2010 वर्सा काँग्रेस सरकारान न्हंयच्या राष्ट्रीयकरणा खातीर विरोध केल्लो। ते उपरांत आदले मुख्यमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकरांच्या फुडारपणा खाला भाजप सरकारान न्हंयच्या राष्ट्रीयकरणा खातीर परवानगी दिली असो आरोप आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा आणि हेर विरोधी आमदारांनी केलो।
Question was very specific. The reasons for initially rejecting and subsequently accepting the proposal received from the central government regarding the national rivers. And here, the Honorable Minister might have not noticed when this reply has come. It's very dodgy, and the dodgy reason is this. It says in 2013, proposal was studied and state government was the apprehension that central government may interfere with the state affairs and may take all powers under central ministry, and the proposal was initially not considered. And then they say under 246 of the Constitution article that is because it's nationalization of rivers and therefore you are bound. I agree. Now just see this. I agree with the views of my predecessor at page 35N. Then, that is in the year 2011, when the then union government was biased towards the state, with change in government in May 2014 at the center, the attitude of the central government towards states has changed due to federalism type of governance being followed, whereby central government share of the state has increased and the powers also decentralized. Looking at this positive attitude of the union government towards the state government. Now, much what's then I'll put the question. Sentence wasta. Looking at this positive attitude of the union government towards the state government, I agree for the proposal at X or 3 page, and the same is approved. And minister says, just signs it, and secretary says, government views may be communicated accordingly. The chief minister was Parsekar.
Sir, you know amcho gochi government agarle, not with the center. Speaker sir, judge na ye nationalize korpa irle, Goa and Kerala am compare केला, ते list irle Kerala and आपले 10 नुयो ते लिस्टायला डिलिस्ट केलो कित्याक लॉ तेजेर डिपेंड आहा म्हणून पूण आमची गव्हर्मेंटान सोयी न्हंय दिल्यो कांयच अटेम्प्ट करूना खंयची न्हंयच काडपाकय सो म्हगे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज why did you not oppose on the same ground as Kerala where our dependence on our river is the same and will you write to National Water Act 2016 to delist it?
हे विशीं पर्यावरण मंत्री हांणी दिल्ले जापेक विरोधकांनी हरकत घेतली आणि न्हंयच्या राष्ट्रीयकरणा वयल्यान विरोधकांनी विधानसभेत बोवाळ घातलो। गोंय सरकारान राज्यांतल्यो न्हंयो राष्ट्रीयकरणा खातीर केंद्र सरकाराक विकल्यात असो आरोप करीत विरोधी आमदार सभापती मुखार दाखल जाले।
स्पीकर सर एका बेश्टो आरोप करपाची संवय जाल्ली आहा। स्पीकर सर टायमपास बिलकुल करिना तूं जाय जाल्यार एमओयू दवरपाक तयार आहा दवरता। स्पीकर सर आरोप करपाची संवय जाल्ली आहा।
तुमचे उत्तर ताणें दिले न्ही तुमच्या हे तुम्ही जितले प्रश्न तुम्ही विचारले तुम्ही वेळ घेतलो तुम्ही
अरे तुमका बेश्टो भास जाला जाय जाल्यार एमओयू सायन केला गव्हर्मेंटात पयले फावटी नॅशनल बिल पास केल्या उपरांत एमओयू सायन केल्या गोवा ही एकमेव स्टेट आसा त्या अंतर्गत असो एमओयू स्टार्ट करून आमी जो आसा पयले
जाग्यार वचून बसा तुम्ही।
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।